10. For this, first of all, open your favorite browser, type Notepad plus plus, enter, press enter. So to install Notepad plus plus, first of all, see the website, which is notepad++.org. This link, click on this link. Here you are able to see the releases of Notepad++. Obviously, we're going to download the latest version. Just click on this one. It is Notepad++ 7.815 release. So if you're just willing to install for the Windows 32-bit, then click on the first link. Otherwise, just scroll further and look for download 64-bit installer. So click on the installer. Actually, the internet speed is quite slow here. So when you will click on the installer, it will just get downloaded. I will just pause it because I already downloaded. It is the exe file is on the desktop, which I've already downloaded. Just double click on this one. So here it is asking you whether you want to install it or not. Yes, obviously we want to install it. Click on yes. Now choose the language in which you want to install. Select English, then click on OK. Next, it is a license agreement. If you want to read it, read. Otherwise, just click on I agree. It's just telling you the destination where it is installed by default. If you want to change it to D drive or something else, you can also do that. Otherwise, just keep it default and click on next. Don't make any changes over here in this video also, in this step. Okay, so click on next, create a shortcut on the desktop and click on install. See, it's downloaded. Sorry, it's been installed. Click on finish. In this way you can install Notepad++ in your system. This is the first screen which appears after downloading the Notepad++. So close this one and you can create your new file and start doing your work. Like you can type your code over here. Obviously this is not a code, you have to type exact syntax like HTML. This is closing tag of HTML. Like this you can do your programming in this. And save it. .html desktop. In this way you can download and install the Notepad++. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Thanks, goodbye and good luck, and subscribe, like the channel.